Vinayak Kulkarni, currently working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. So today's topic of the lecture is structures in C. At the end of the session, students will be able to design and develop a C program using structure. So the problem statement is, I have a mobile shop and I want to store all the information about the mobiles which are available in my shop. So for a particular mobile, I will store a specific information about that particular mobile. So for the mobile, we will store a mobile name, RAM, internal memory, ROM, camera and battery. So what is the problem statement is, I want to store all the information about a particular mobile. So how can I do this particular thing? For mobile 1, I will create a variables like mobile name 1, RAM 1, ROM 1, camera 1 and battery 1, and I will assign it a particular values. So for a mobile 1, I need total 5 variables to store all these information. The same thing we will consider a mobile 2 and its specification. So mobile name, RAM, internal memory, camera and battery. So for the mobile 2 also, we will create the variables like mobile name 2, RAM 2, ROM 2, camera 2 and battery 2. If you observe the current example, for each mobile I need to create 5 variables. So that is not actually a correct solution for our particular problem statement, because it is not possible to create a 5 variables for each mobile. Consider that I have total 100 mobiles in my mobile shop and I want to store all the information about these particular mobiles, like the examples we have seen, mobile 1 and mobile 2. So for that I need to create a n number of variables. So that is not actually a correct solution. So next is, so can I use array? Array is also not a good option, because array has the capability to store more than one element, but they all must be of same type. So this will be the limitations of array, where our requirement is to store the data of different types, not of a similar type. So in our problem statement we cannot use a array also. So what happens if we can define our own data type which can accommodate all the required types? So here what we want is to create our own data type which can accommodate all the required types. So for these, the solution will be structure. So structure is a one-stop solution. So what is structure in C? A structure simply can be defined as a user-defined data type which groups logically related items under a one single unit. We can use all the different data items by accessing that single unit. All the data items that are stored in a contiguous memory location. Structure declaration. So structure declaration will be done by using a keyword struct. After that, structure name. After that, the different variable names and its data types. At the end, we will write a semicolon. So this will be a structure declaration. After that, we have declared one structure here, a struct mobile. In that we have defined 5 different variables: character mobile name of size 20, int RAM, int ROM, int camera, int battery, and after that, after curly brackets, we have written 2 names, mobile 1, mobile 2. Mobile 1 and mobile 2 are Mobile 1 and Mobile 2 are structure variables. It can be used to access all these kind of data. So in the current example, we have created two structure variables. Just observe this particular example. In this example, we have created a structure mobile. In that, we have created only one variable, and to that particular variable, we have assigned. How to assign a value to a structure variable? Mobile1.rom equal to 128, mobile2.rom equal to 256. It means that whenever I want to assign a value to a structure, the data present in structure, what is the syntax? Structure variable dot a particular variable name. The same way will be mobile1.rom, mobile2.rom. The output for this is shown in the window, where we will get the output Vivo T20X ROM 128 GB, Realme 12 Pro 5G ROM 256 GB. Example will be, suppose we need to store the details of an employee. It includes ID, name, age, salary, designation, and several other factors which belong to different data types. So here the question is, you have to create a structure for storing and employee details, where you need a variables called ID, name, age, salary, and designation. So you can think and write a particular solution for this particular problem. Hope you have solved. The solution will be struct employee, int integer employee ID, float salary, character designation 20, int department number, int age of employee. So we have created a structure name as employee EMPL. It contains 5 different variables like employee ID, salary, designation, department number, age of employee. In the similar way, you can create many variables for this particular example also. References are, let us see, Yashwant Kanetkar, BPV publication, and Programming in C, Ansai C. Balguru Swami. Thank you.